Assembly languages. Assembly language is a representation of machine language. The program is in alphanumeric symbols instead of zeros and ones. The programs written in other than the machine language need to be converted to the machine language. Translators are needed for conversion from one language to another language. Assemblers are used to convert assembly language program to machine language. Every processor has its own assembly language. The alphanumeric symbols are called mnemonics in the assembly language. The add, sub, mul, div, etc. are some symbols called mnemonics. Advantages of assembly language. The symbolic programming in assembly language is easier to understand and saves a lot of time and effort by the programmer. It is easier to correct errors and modify program instructions. Disadvantages of assembly language. One of the major disadvantages is that the assembly language is machine dependent. A program written for one computer might not run on other computers with different hardware configuration.